So in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse on Snapchat. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is open your Snapchat. Okay. Now here you need to record a video. So for the example, let me just record this. Okay. So this is just an example. You need to record a video like you are doing some action. Okay. So after this, let me just scroll from right to left. You need to scroll from right to left, okay, from until you see these three arrows, okay, these three arrows pointing towards your left side. So till then you have to scroll it. So this is the filter which is called reverse the video filter. Okay, using this filter you can reverse your video, and you can post it, or you can just send this snap to anyone you want. So this is basically how you reverse video on Snapchat, and you can do the same thing with the pre-recorded videos in your phone, which is stored in your phone. You can do this the same way. Just select the video which you have recorded in your phone, and just slide from left to right, and you can stop until you see three arrows which is pointing towards your left side. Okay, so that's the reverse filter. So I hope this video helps you out. If this video helped you out, then make sure you hit the like and let me know in the comments. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And I will see you in